Welcome to Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details. So keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet shipping container. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. In the front we have sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, TV unit on the front wall and kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have two large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and on the left side we have 3 feet wide passage here, and on the right side we have washroom plus water closet for common use. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and on the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And if we go on the right side of the house, so we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the 2-bedroom shipping container house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.